Can you cut that part out? Is there
Okay, we're filming. What's that little flip thing? Alright. Don't cover. How you doing? This is Jared Papazian. They call me Jackhammer.
Listen,
That's not my fighting name, if you know what I mean. You know, that's.
Can you cut that out? Can you cut that last part out?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it out.
Would you post it and tag me?
Oh, well, I'll tag you.
Listen,
Don't
can you
try.
tag me in it?
Facebook. Hey, you can Facebook me at Jackhammer MMA. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Something just popped out. That's a cool little thing, huh? But hey, you can Facebook Jackhammer MMA.
You have a huge pimple on your nose. What's up?
What would you like to say?
Sako the Chainsaw Chivitchian.
Get it?
Getting on the roll.
Chainsaw. It's the chainsaw. We call him the chainsaw because he's got. Show him what you got. He's got those chainsaws. Look at that.
Ow, dang. That's some serious stuff there.
Yeah.
Some serious stuff.
It's
What are you thinking, Andy?
How am I doing?
Yeah, how are you doing? You have a fight coming
He's a
up?
classy guy.
The GQ model.
I can tell. Dude, seriously, pop my collar. Your collar's popped.
He models for Guess, Abercrombie.
Why are you gonna cry about this? Hey, why don't you take the camera? And why don't
How's it going? Oh shit. How's it going? How you doing? This is Ando the Magian. He looks good. He needs a model. For sponsorship, I think Guess would sponsor you. Huh? Guess Abercrombie.
Would you?
What'd you say?
Abercrombie. I think I said it wrong. What other clothing line will sponsor him? What do you think? For Ando.
I think it's probably gonna be Calvin Kleinian.
Calvin Klein is now our media. Alright? That's right. What about Tommy Hilfiger? Tommy Hilfiger, would you sponsor Ando?
Oh my gosh.
And then we got our girl Bree. It's gonna be sponsored by Juicyan
Get it?
and
right.
BBN.
Get it?
Oh yeah. But I need a whole 180.
I'm not gonna do it.
This is Corin Darbinian, the technician. We had an excellent workout with Leo. Leo is a beast.
Leo.
I want to give a shout out to my boy Leo.
How do you pronounce it? Franco. He's the man. He's our conditioning coach.
How do I zoom in?
Give the boys a toy.
He trains with Leo too over here. Leo.
How do I zoom in?
I think you're done. Are you done?
I'm having too much fun.
Are you good? Talk to Sivak. I think so too. His name's Sivak.
We got Manny Gambarian.
Quit that fucking camera, will you?
Well, we had Manny Gambarian.
Oh, I'm sorry, did I make a mistake?
Are you done?
Are you camera?